Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. You can decide and loop. Now let's package that logic into something you can name, reuse, and trust. Functions. Module 5. A function is just a named block of code that takes some input and hands back a result. Write it once, call it forever. Let's build one, then dodge the single most famous beginner trap in Python. 3 things. You'll define functions with def and return. You'll give them arguments and handy default values. And you'll dodge the mutable default trap, the bug that bites almost every Python beginner exactly once. Here's the shape. Def, a name, and the inputs in brackets. Inside, you do the work and return a result. Then anywhere else, you just call it by name with a value. Greet of Ada gives back. Hi, Ada. Written once, used everywhere. Arguments can have defaults. Here, XP defaults to 2. So if you call power with just 5, you get 5 to the power of 225. But pass a 3 and you override it. 5 to the power of 3, 125.
Nice little thing from me, Ryan. Die Ticket als just hab nachschmeit de Tiglation. Das ik steeds bei de Resilienz.
Now, the trap, it looks harmless. A default that's an empty list. But Python creates that list once. And every call without a bucket shares the very same one. The fix pros always use default to none and make a fresh list inside. Watch it happen! First call, add 1. You get a list with 1. But call it again with 2, and instead of a fresh list, the 1 leaks in. 1, 2. The default was shared across calls. That's the whole bug. Sarah here. This is the pattern you'll see in every good code base. Default to none. Then inside, tags or an empty list. A brand new one every call. Safe, boring, correct. Exactly what you want. And that's functions. You can define them, give them defaults, and you'll never fall for the mutable default trap. Next time we level up, writing code that looks and feels genuinely Pythonic. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.